It's a 67 GTO that made its way now to the middle of the auction block, up for sale.
You know, we talked about that we were expecting to see a lot of power, but this one kind of throws it into a little bit of a different column. The largest production Pontiac V8 engine was 455 cubic inches. That didn't come out until 1970. This has a 494 cubic inch Pontiac engine, thanks to the aftermarket. Folks at BIDDER Performance build a variety of really large cubic inch Pontiac engines that bolt in to replace Pontiac engines of virtually any size. It's also fuel injected, and it is bolted up to a turbo 400 automatic transmission, which also made its debut in the 1967 model year. Those rally wheels that were so popular for many years in Pontiac, also first year that we saw those as an option, 67. This one in that gorgeous red with the red line tires and that black interior is a classic muscle car presentation.
Sleeper too. Looking at that hood, you'd never know that there was a fuel injected engine
no
under
way.
that hood.
Yeah.
Especially with that many cubes.
Reserve came off in the mid-70s, by the way.
Not finished yet.
Nope. They're in a house, telephone active.
And if you wanted to go back to full stock, the rebuilt original 400 is included with this lot.
I'll slap the first person who tries to put that 400 back in that car.
Oh, are we going to hit 100 grand? Yep.
Yeah, we did. Not a convertible.
He's getting 105. That's 107.5.
You said the reserve came off low 70s, right?
Mid-70s.
Mid-70s?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
So we bumped it by 30
I
grand.
can't do that. 175.
And now the crowd is into it, too.
Oh, yeah.
Big time.
Hey, JK, too bad that the boys at Royal Bobcat couldn't get a 494 into one of these back in the day.
Yeah.
107.5 is the bid.
112.5. He's shaking off pretty long there. If you want it, it'll be yours, I believe.
110 is the bid.
If you want it.
112.5. You know what? I'd get mad and give 120 for it. Give 120. That's what I
120, let's shut
How
the door.
bad do you want that car,
120,
sir?
let's shut the
I
door.
almost think he's going to do it, the guy in the cowboy hat.
I'm wondering.
120 and own the thing.
120?
Give 120. Or 117.5. And you'll probably give 120.
117.5.
120 right now. You want to do that?
117.5. Hey!
Yep.
117.5.
Wow.
Yep.
You should have listened
They both
to me.
want it.
117.
This is what happens.
It's an auctioneer's dream coming true right here.
120. How big an old boy are you? Just give 120. 120.
But it's the one you wanted, so
120,000.
you shook it off a couple times. 120. Yes?
Now, if you
Okay.
remember correctly, I told
this
you to
crowd
give
is really
120,
digging it.
You didn't want to do that. Now, if I was you, I'd give 130.
122.5.
Oh, yeah.
130.
Yeah, you all do that. You just wait. Give 130. Or, like Walmart, price is falling, you can give 125. What would you
125.
like to do? 125 or 30?
125.
I would give 130. How many people think you should give 130? Yeah, we do.
130?
Give 130.
Let's shut the door.
Or 125. Once.
125.
125 twice.
125.
Here we go.
122.5.
Cowboy hat wants it.
They both do,
125.
man. This is like
130 to you. 130.
what theater?
130. Show him who's boss.
125?
$130,000. Oh boy.
Yeah, I got you.
We're 50 grand past where the reserve came off,
No.
guys.
Already got 125. We got to go up.
127.
130
I thought I had 125.
would be the number that I would pick.
He's got 125.
Yeah.
You got two options, 127.5
127.5.
or 130. 127.5. Now, sir, if it's back to you again.
130.
At that 130 that everybody was going, ooh. 130. 130.
Oh, I think he's out.
He's out.
Yep. Wow.
Hey, wait. I got a deal for you.
Oh, yeah.
You give 130,000 and I will not ask you for another bid. If they bid again, I will not ask you again. Give 130 and I won't ask you again.
We won't ask you again. We'll let you walk right away.
130 and I don't ask you again.
130. Let's buy the car.
Give 130. Don't be a quitter.
Oh.
Give 130.
He's riding off to the sunset.
127.
Jimmy
Wow.
Landis
Cowboy-
becomes lead auctioneer, doing what he does best.
Cowboy hat might have left the building. I think that was his swan song.
Yeah.
Wave to the crowd.
Yes, he is on the way out. 127.5. Just bought that 67 GTO. My goodness. That was cool.
Muscle car lives.